On today's body cam, we're checking out. She asked the cop for a free ride. It cost her 11 months.
In South Central Ohio, an officer conducts a welfare check on a woman sitting on the sidewalk. Preferring to avoid the short walk, she asks for a courtesy ride to a nearby soup kitchen, a request that would ultimately cost her 11 months of her life.
You doing okay, ma'am?
Yeah.
Okay. Somebody called in. They said they looked like you were overheating a little bit.
Oh, I'm fine. I'm sips of water.
All right. But you're okay? Do you need a medic or anything come check you out or anything like that? Is that what you're waiting on, is the shelter to open up?
What time is it?
It is 3:37.
Can you escort me to the dinner? Because I'm sick.
Do you want to ride over to Foundation Dinner?
Around the street.
I can do that, yeah.
I've got
absolutely.
mobility problems.
That's not a problem. I can give you a ride.
Thank you.
We already came in. Thank you.
It's touch and go around here. As far as officers, female officers really abuse me.
Do you have an ID with you, just so I can document who I talked to?
No, I've got a police report that he took down where my bag was gone through, my debit,
Somebody stole all your
and my
stuff.
ID, my Humana card, and $70. Dummy me, I put it in an empty cigarette.
Can I get your name and date of birth at least?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's Cindy, C-I-N-D-Y.
Okay. What's your date of birth, Miss Cindy?
Many suspects don't know their social security number, but Cindy takes things to a new level. Ooh.
It is, I got dyslexia. April, either 8th or 9th. I don't know, I think it's 8th. There's always one number that messes with me. 1958.
58? Perfect.
I think, or 59.
Oh, yeah, no problem. I can give you a ride over the Foundation Dinner.
I've got a brain injury. And sometimes, like,
6'6". You're good. You can keep talking.
sometimes my social or my numbers or letters are off by one.
Get them flip-flop.
Yeah, it's mild. It's so hot.
It is hot.
Yeah, my clothes are all dirty.
It is hot outside. Good.
Is she gonna return local?
Are you out of would you be from another state?
No.
Have you ever had an Ohio license?
Yeah. No, I haven't.
1836.
There's one in Texas.
Okay. Any other states?
I don't think so.
Just Texas.
Texas.
What's going on?
Nothing.
1509. Try it out, Texas. We'll give her a ride over Foundation Dinner. Okay.
You need anything for us?
No, I'm good. Here, I'll hold your bag for you.
Thank you.
All right. My cruiser's right over here.
All right. Thank you, sir.
I got the AC blasting too.
Yeah, but it's gonna be a problem if he can't identify her though. Oh boy.
Best place to hold on. There's a handle right there if you need it. Yeah, they don't have it up top on the like a normal vehicle.
I'm sorry.
You're okay. You got nothing to apologize for, man. All right. What, you good?
We have history from 2024 of him being there. I am not getting a return on her out of Texas.
Where'd you live at in Texas?
It starts with an A.
Cindy, okay. Is your full name Lucinda?
Yeah.
Lucinda Lou?
Yeah.
How old are you?
Dead.
She's dead?
Yes.
Oh, well, that's not good. What's your date of birth again?
April 8th. I think it's the chaplain told me it's 8. It's
And you know what's the crazy part? If she would have never asked for a ride, this probably wouldn't even been a thing, man. Cause what was she really doing wrong to get, name and or for her to identify herself? That's what I'm thinking about. Unless, wherever she was sitting, those people that own that building or whatever called, but yeah, boy.
anybody. It's nice if it's someone special. I know.
She probably got a warrant.
Go look at her. I'm pretty sure it's her. I'm pulling up body cam from past incidents with her.
This is
Let me see it again.
you
Profile?
yeah, for no reason.
She's got a word. What's her name?
She says her name's Cindy.
Do you have any kind of ID on you?
Social Security's got it. I haven't been there yet.
Did she give you a social?
No. She gave me a date of birth.
What's your social? Do you know your social?
I don't know my social. I got
Horse
to go.
crap. How old are you? Yeah, stop lying.
I'm one of the triplets.
You're a triplet? Well, here, okay. Let me explain something to you real quick, ma'am. So, we have a woman here that looks like you who's got a warrant. We're having trouble finding your information. So, if there's any way you can help us confirm that you're not this person with a warrant.
Listen, there's no point. She says she a triplet, man. Well, let's triplet these cuffs on you and take you on down to the county, man. You're cooked.
Well,
Well, we're not letting you go anywhere until we confirm who you are, because now we believe you're this woman with a warrant. Does that make sense?
no, it doesn't. I don't like your harassment.
We're not harassing you.
Physical
We're detaining
abuse
you.
on me when my
Ma'am.
sister is in the morgue.
I'm trying to explain to you why we're detaining you.
Sir, I need to speak to a captain.
We don't have captains, ma'am.
Then you don't have a police department.
I'm pretty sure we do. How do you not know your social security number?
I have a brain injury.
Okay. Does it affect your memory?
Learn everything all over again.
Okay. And you don't have
Hey,
any.
Cindy, how old are you?
I'm like 64.
Do you need a medic?
No. You take my picture, you'll be breaking a class stop.
I need to take your
Good
picture
day.
so I can. Can I take your picture?
No, you cannot.
Why not?
Because I'm ashamed of my body.
I'm just taking a picture of your
No.
face. Your face.
You already did that.
All right. Well, this woman here is saying that it's not her, that's her twin sister. And this woman doesn't know her social. She's claiming she has some sort of brain injury.
Need anything from in here before I start?
No,
No, if you were here for anybody here.
do you have a.
Not getting ready to start.
We got a woman here. I don't know if you would have seen her before. Hey, Billy.
Lucinda.
Lucinda?
Yeah. Is that her?
Lucinda?
Is that Lucinda? Is that Lucinda? Yes. Hi, Lucinda. Okay. Yeah.
No.
Yep. Yes, hi, Lucinda.
So your name is?
Yeah.
So your name is Lucinda?
No.
Yeah. Yeah. Why would the person that runs this business say you're Lucinda?
Because I had her ID. I didn't have mine.
Lucinda.
I'm not Lucinda.
If you guys are triplets and you gave me a birth date of April 8th or April 9th of 1958, why is Lucinda's date of birth October 1966?
I'm not allowed to answer.
That would not make any sense if you guys are triplets. Do you need a medic?
No. I need fluids, which I'm not going to drink out of the toilet.
Would you look at that?
Well, I got a handcuffer now, so you want to help me with that?
All right, ma'am. Go ahead and step out of the car.
So, you are Lucinda Caton.
No,
Well,
I am not.
Verify that. Can you put your palms together? I don't want to cuff you behind your back just because you have mobility issues, so I need you to put your hands together like this. I'll cuff you in the front, okay?
The only thing I'm guilty of is lying about my name before.
Well, lying to police officers is a crime.
I know that.
So do you want to tell us what your social is?
I don't know it.
I'm just asking.
Are we being recorded?
Yeah, everything's
Okay.
on video recording right now. Do you have anything in your pockets?
Yes.
Anything illegal? Anything that's got folks sick, Curtis? Anything like that?
No.
Okay. I'm just gonna take the back of my hand and just feel the outside of your pocket.
I need a female officer.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
Well, I
That's
can
not how
use
it
the back
works.
of my hand.
No, I need a female officer.
I'm just letting you know if you have anything illegal on you, they will find it.
I know that.
Okay.
I need a female officer.
1509.
Yeah, but I get a 74 officer cuff search at 74.
Step over here.
Okay.
Ma'am, I'm being nothing but polite and cordial with you, okay?
You said I was a liar, and I'm not.
No one ever said
Well-
you were a liar. We're just
Only
trying to figure
about
out-
my name.
Ma'am, step over here.
You said that is
Ma'am,
me.
step over here.
Neither here nor there, ma'am. We have a female officer en route.
You do realize that lying about your name because you have a warrant could get you additional charges and you could spend longer time in jail? I'm just letting you know.
Excuse me.
You're excused.
Number one is I lied about my name. Cindy L. Payton has no charges.
That's true, because she doesn't exist.
You'll be questioned by federal.
Okay. So hear me out. When you provide a name,
Did you see her face when he said, yeah, because she doesn't exist? Yo, he said, yeah, because she doesn't exist. And he went, the jig is up, like Drake said, man. He said, we know how you OGs is rocking, my. The jig is up. You know what I'm saying? You a OG. You know how the game go. The jig is up. It's over with, man. Yeah, you couldn't pull a fast one on these guys.
I lied about my name. Cindy L. Payton has no charges.
that's true, because she doesn't exist.
You'll be questioned by federal.
Okay. So hear me out. When you provide a name and
I
a date of
don't
birth,
have to listen until I have an attorney. Goodbye.
well, I can't leave. I have to transport you.
You have to get a female officer to go through my pocket.
And I already said I have one en route for you, okay?
Very well.
I'm just trying to explain
Please don't
why we ended
speak
up
to me,
here.
rude, obscure individual.
Ma'am, I've been nothing but respectful. I'm trying to
Honestly, I don't like when the officers do that. Like, you know, I mean, every department is kind of different or whatever. I mean, how should I say this? Like, there's no reason that the officers can't use the back of their hand and just pat you down rather than calling a lady all the way over here. So I request a female officer. So now you got to get the girl. You know, it's like, come on, man. Something so simple, just boo, 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 whatever. Like, crazy.
explain the situation.
No, you're
why we ended
not.
up here. I'm trying to explain how we ended up here.
We ended up here because you thought I was overheated.
Yes.
Congratulations
That was the original
for
call.
your service. That you're a liar.
I don't think he's been lying to you at all.
Look, bastard.
You just have to understand.
Take him out.
From our perspective, Lucinda, is that when someone provides a name with a date of birth or a social, and it doesn't come back through our system is nationwide.
Come on, man. You wasting your time. You wasting your time. She's been a criminal, man, her whole life. You think she don't know the game? You're wasting your time.
Why?
Well, you have to get it from federal, and I told you.
Ours runs through the BMV,
Well,
all 50 states.
Very deep subject.
So when that doesn't come back and it says it's not on file,
That's fine.
that
You
raises
can
what we
jail
call
me.
red
I'll
flags.
hold and sell until federal gets there. That's proper procedure.
All right,
you don't have any.
Deny me the detective. Deny me fluids.
Billy.
It's allowed.
That's no way.
What do you need a detective for, man?
To get my proper social and identification from Social Security.
Well, that you would just have to go to Social Security.
No, I can't do it without a passport. Look at my condition. I've been in this country for a little while, and it's been a struggle.
All you have to do, just
And I took my sister's ID. She said I could. It was expired.
okay.
And it got stolen.
Okay.
Who knows where it's at?
I know. I saw the report where you reported your debit card and cash was taken. I believe it was the emergency shelter or Center of Hope. I saw that call.
That's my only income is hers, and she's dead, and it's not allowed.
Well, she is still living according to our database. She's
There's
not
death
registered as
certificates
deceased.
in Millersport.
Okay. I'm not saying you're a liar. I'm not saying
Well,
I'm a
get
liar.
the detective
I'm
to
just
do
going
that.
off of what's in my system.
And quit calling me a liar.
I never called you a
And
liar.
have him looking at my ass.
I sure as hell am not looking at your ass.
Please turn around then. I'm not going to do anything. Yeah, I do not take psych medicines. I've got a brain injury. I'm not like Lucinda.
Oh.
But I do go under her for medical. Because the government said yes.
You understand that's
Well, leave it up to federal and they decide. Lucinda Price. I go under her ID, and yes, it's illegal, but there's no medication. I get nutrition and fluids and rest and everything. Zanesville, I was raped and patient and
Hold on now. Hold on. What is that officer looking at? You've been looking down there an awfully long time. And you keep going to look at right at that area, man. What are you looking at down there? Don't let me find out this fugitive is correct, man. You're looking at her butt.
Intensive therapy.
I'm sorry that happened.
And I have a baby. A red-headed baby that I gave up for adoption.
1509, the cost is negative.
If I was my sister. So you're denying my medical.
I asked if you needed a medic. You said no multiple times.
Yeah, if I can't get fluids here and rest at the shelter, yes.
You'll be able to get fluids at the Fairfield County Jail.
No, I can't do that. I'll die. I'm near death now. Give me liberty or give me death. I choose death. Thank you for your service. Profiling me, accusing me of stuff I didn't do.
I'm not accusing you of anything.
Then why do I have cuffs on?
Because you have a warrant for your arrest.
That's not me. You
No,
do
I'm
this
saying you
every
do.
time you pick on the homeless
No.
as if they're less.
No, that's most certainly not what's happening.
Can I step in the grass?
No.
My feet are burning.
Okay, well, we're waiting on the female to come patch you down.
Car.
That other officer's like less than a block away, Lucinda.
Yeah, you wanted a female officer to come pat you down, so you would have been already on your way to the jail.
Well, I can't help that.
Okay, well, if we set you in the car, less than a minute later, she'll be here, and then you'll have to get out of the car again.
I'll get out.
Okay, well, right now you're going to stand there.
Well, I'm moving around, but
No, you're going to stand there.
I'm hot.
Okay, so am I.
Wow.
You are not going to spit on me. Get your ass in the car.
Well, that's what she wanted. That's what she wanted. She wanted to go back in the car or sit in the grass or something. So now she gets what she wanted.
Get in the car.
Ow!
Get in the car.
Let me hit
Spit on me. Get your ass in the car right now.
Log 74. Spit on 17.
Get in the car.
You just caught a felony charge. Get in the car.
Get in the car right now.
I didn't have any saliva.
You just caught
I
a
don't
felony charge.
test
Get in the
you.
car.
Get in the car.
You just turned a misdemeanor into a felony. Get in the car.
Let me have a female officer.
I don't give a shit about the female officer. Get in the car.
You're,
You got yourself a felony. Get in the car.
She have weapons on her?
No, I do not.
She can go to jail like that.
Get in the car. I'm going to push you in the car. You understand?
Hang on.
Limited on bureau resources, unfiltered.
I bet you are. It was dry.
Shut up.
Get in the car, Lucinda.
It's impossible.
Get in the car, Lucinda.
Or at some point you're
Denied medical.
I don't
No,
know if
you're
I'm gonna
arrested.
rush that or not.
Multiple times.
For future reference, you don't need a female officer. If you know she has no weapons on her, just take her to jail. If she has dope on her in the jail, they'll find it there. Just so you know.
Facts, like facts. You don't need I'm glad she came through and said that. Y'all interrupting her for no reason. Like, yo, just backhander. You know, if it's known that she has something up top, then that's a little bit different situation. But you know, if you just checking pockets, you know what I mean? Come on, man. Like, come on. I like that. Yeah, she yo.
For future reference, you don't need a female officer. If you know she has no weapons on her, just take her to jail. If she has dope on her in the jail, they'll find it there. Just so you know.
Okay.
I'm sick of this life.
Lucinda, stop.
Motherfucker, you're gonna kill me.
Lucinda was charged with harassment with bodily substance and falsification. She pleaded guilty to the bodily substance charge for spitting on the officer. The judge handed down an 11-month sentence, which was offset by 340 days of credit for the time she had already served in custody.
Fucking disgusting.